Hello everyone. Today, I am unboxing the Gondola 242 soft pastels. I bought them from Amazon Japan. The delivery was very fast. I received the package in less than a week. I chose soft pastels because they can fill large areas quickly. They also work well with colored pencils. The colors mix smoothly and create an even look. The paper does not wrinkle, and the colors do not go through to the back. If I use only colored pencils, it is hard to keep the colors even. But pastels make it much easier. The only downside is that I need a fixative to keep the colors from smudging. These pastels are handmade, and the colors are very bright. The set has more light colors than dark ones. The colors have a Japanese style, which is why I wanted to try them. I thought the box would include a finished swatch card with a plastic cover. But it only has a blank card. If I have time, I will make a swatch and test the pastels in a drawing. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.